In this video, I'll show you how to customize your control center so you can reach the tools you use most with just one swipe. It's easy, fast, and it'll make your daily experience much smoother. Let's jump in. First, here's how to open Control Center on your iPhone. If you're using an iPhone with Face ID, just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. If you have an iPhone with a home button, swipe up from the bottom edge. This is where you'll find shortcuts like brightness, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and more. Now, let's customize it and add the features you actually use. Open Control Center, press and hold anywhere on the background, tap Add a control at the bottom of the screen, swipe up to browse the full list of available shortcuts. When you find one you actually want, like the alarm, low power mode, or screen recording, just tap it to add it instantly. And there you have it, your control center now fully customized to fit your routine. No more digging through settings for basic features. Everything's just one swipe away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.